And I remember this story about the model Priscilla Rainey. Now, she was pretty much trying to collect on the default judgment that she won against the game for $7 million. Well, a judge has just ruled in that case according to allhiphop.com, and they pretty much have granted her, right, check this out, she's able now to seize the game's record label and his Born to Rap royalties. Now, a document put out, by allhiphop.com. I see it there on the screen. It says, here, plaintiff moves court for an order assigning her and all rights and title of interest of defendant and money, property, and payments due to defendant from California a corporation, I should say, LA Prolific. Address is there, I'll redact that. It goes on to say, including but not limited to payments in the form of commissions, royalties, contract receivables, preferred compensation, employee wages, payroll, salary. Preliminarily, the defendant, who is the game, has failed to file any opposition to the motion, timely or otherwise. Now, pursuant to the court local rules, failure to opposition to a motion may be seen consent to granting motion. Now, I'll go down because some of it is hard to read. It says the court constitutes defendant's failure as such. In any event, an assignment order warranted on the record before the court. Now, it goes on to say plaintiff, who is Ms. Rainey, has presented some evidence, including her counsel's declaration showing the research he has conducted about the release of the defendant's most recent album and establishment of the defendant's independent record label, Prolific Records, which counsel believes incorporated in California as LA Prolific. Now, the court concludes this evidence is sufficient to meet the relatively low evidentiary threshold required to obtain an assignment order, especially in light of defendant's failure to oppose the motion. So pretty much the game didn't oppose it. They granted it to her. Now, it goes on to say, plaintiff's evidence also shows defendants has not made any payments towards the outstanding judgment, and plaintiff has recovered one payment of $47,000 from Sound Exchange, and pursuant to court's latest assignment, now the plaintiff is entitled to request assessment order for the following reasons. I'll skip that part. Now I'll go down to the conclusion. It says, for the foregoing reasons, the court grants plaintiff motion for assignment order pursuant to the Federal Rule Civil Procedure of California Code of Civil Procedure. The court orders defendant to assign to plaintiff the following rights to payments, such as the time of the judgment entered at the Northern District of Illinois in the amount of $7,130,100. Also, plus judgment and interest is satisfied fully or to further order of the court any and all rights, title, and interest of defendant, any money, property, or payments due to the defendant, LA Prolific, in the form of any other things, commission, royalties, contract receivable, deferred compensation, employee wages, payroll, salary, and accounts receivable. And further, it is ordered that all parties who receive notice of this order are supposed to abide by that. It is so ordered. Now,